Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Google Ads and opening Audience Manager. Once there, choose Custom Segments and click Create. You need a small set of seed signals, keywords, specific URLs, or app ID to define intent. Start with 15 strong keywords and a few related URLs so the system has good examples. Make sure to pick the right Google Ads account and confirm permissions. This gets you into the builder ready to assemble an audience that matches in-market intent and custom intent efficiently. You now assemble the segment. Add high-intent keywords first, then supplement with relevant URLs and app ID to capture behavior signals. Use match types deliberately, exact for tight intent, phrase to broaden slightly, broad for discovery, because each changes reach and relevance. Once done, set location and language targeting and pick membership duration based on campaign goals, shorter for promotions, longer for brand funnels. Make sure to preview estimated audience size, adjust keywords or match types to balance volume and precision. You finish by saving the custom segment and applying it to the desired campaign or ad group, then set bid adjustments or experiment with creatives tailored to the audience. Once live, monitor metrics for 7 to 14 days to see conversions, CTR, and CPA. Make incremental bid and creative changes based on results. If the audience is too small, expand match types or add adjacent keywords and URLs. If it's noisy, tighten matches and reduce duration. This keeps your segment useful and scalable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.